Very simple. This is 24-volt inverter, and it's a hybrid. I can use it with solar as well as with the help of the power. So this, the maximum load I can use for solar is 50 ampere, and this is Janus. I believe this is made in India. I've never used this, but I hope this is going to give me a good performance. And you know, I have another inverter which is luminous, but I need to upgrade. So I bought this 2 Excite battery which is 200 Ah, and I have connected this 2 batteries in series. That is, this one minus and this one is plus. So with the help of this wire I've connected this, and the battery, the negative and positive, which from where the inverter comes out, I've connected to the battery positive for the positive side. This is the red one, and this one is the negative, which is coming out from the inverter. So I believe overall the performance would be good, I think. So far I have not connected the solar, so I have a solar connection, which is this one. If I use the solar in future, I can use the solar as well. So this is the output. Okay, so I hope you can connect your battery and inverter. If you buy a new inverter and a battery, you don't need an electrician. It's very interesting, do it yourself. So this I hope it helps. Thank you for watching.